blind bag. I have many blind bag. Nails blind bag, fidget toys, nails blind bag, fidget toys blind bag, and clothes blind bag. Today we're gonna be opening fidget toys blind bag. So fidget toys, a legendary and rare and common. Here's a mini pocket and a wacky track and a pop tube. Blind bag in the back. Blind bag. Let's open it. So let me open it from here. I have to rip it. Okay, so first let's start with the back. Common. You get the first piece. Oh, a party. Okay, what I got next? Ooh, magnetic rings. Oh, there's nothing more. Let's now go to the rare. Get the first peek. Ooh, a textured monkey noodle. Nice. Ooh, a simple dimple spinner. Oh, I guess common and rare is finished now. Now, legendary. Get the first peek. Okay. Oh, I can't get this out. I'm not gonna look. I'm just a heart blue puppet. Nice. Okay. Take it out the pick. Ooh, a square yellow pop. Oh my gosh. Now I think legendary is done. Rare is done. And common is done. And the fidget blind bag is done. So now let's see what I got. I got a yellow square puppet and a heart blue puppet from the legendary. Okay, I got this texture monkey noodle and spinner simple dimple from the rare. Ooh, here. And I got this blue pop tube and this purple magnet ring from the common. So far I got all of these. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 prices. Bye.